Hey guys, thank you for watching. I was getting ready to do some lettuce wrap tacos. When I looked in the refrigerator, I realized that we had a lot of leftovers. So instead, for this video, I'm going to show you how I use leftovers. I already did a video on pizza, but it's my number one go-to for dinner. Besides the frittata. The frittata, I used to do that a lot for breakfast. But for dinners, I love making pizza. And I always try to make them different and better. And I always use leftovers on top of pizza. So remember, I already did a recipe like this, so I'm just gonna go over the ingredients real fast. If you get lost along the way, go ahead and check out my keto pizza, and I think you're gonna find that easier to follow. So I'm just gonna mix some cheese with canned chicken, some spicy salt, pepper, Italian herbs or seasonings, and then some garlic powder and a few eggs. So that's going to be the crust. I already turned on the oven at 400 degrees, and once I put this together, I'm just going to throw it in there, cook the crust first, bring it out, and then I'm going to add the olive oil as sauce. So instead of using tomato sauce, because I don't have, so I'm just going to use olive oil. It makes it taste really good. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese underneath, some mozzarella cheese underneath as the base. And then I'm going to use these meats. So this is leftover steak from a few days back. And then this is leftover slow cooked beef. And so I'm going to make half and half. In fact, I might do third. So I'm going to use these two because I also have some leftover poke from yesterday. I haven't decided though, so I'll decide later on. There's still enough that maybe I can put a couple of slices in there. So I might use that. And then on top, I'm just going to put some mushrooms and some peppers. So yeah, let me show you how that goes. Okay, so it's all done. Again, these are all leftovers. Mine is a salad. I decided instead of putting the poke on top of the pizza, because it was raw from yesterday, put some butter on it, cooked it, and put it on the salad. So it looks good. So we'll see. Let me do the salad first. Poke is perfect. Let me try the pizza. ¿Quieres más? Ahora.
No better.
It's good. Because the crust has flavoring, the beef, it actually brings the taste of the beef out a little bit more, so it's really good. I got selfish and I got bacon on the next one, but that one's for me for later. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. So I hope you guys have a chance to make this. Remember, it's leftovers, but it's the pizza recipe, so try it, okay? See you guys on the next one.